in beautiful Waimanalo, we're at the Oceanic Institute at HPU, where students and researchers have the unique opportunity to learn about and tackle marine science issues that are of global importance. Let's dive in.
Oceanic Institute HPU is an applied research organization focused on aquaculture and coastal resource management. We develop methods for producing both fish and shrimp for food as well as for stock restoration purposes, and look at ways to conserve the environment. But HPU has a number of different degrees that are relevant to the work we do here at Oceanic Institute. Certainly marine biology is one that comes to mind. A lot of the students that are in that program get to interact with the researchers here, and it's actually a really unique facility in that regard, that we have undergraduate students that are working side by side with scientists and with professionals in their field. Being in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, we have an abundant source of clean, awesome seawater that we can do our work with. We have tremendous facilities that stretch for nearly a quarter mile behind me. So the size and scale of this place really sets it apart from anything else like it on the mainland.
Okay, now I'm with Spencer Davis. He is working on his master's degree in marine science. Tell me about what you've been working on here.
So I've been working on an aquaculture project with Kūmū, the endemic Hawaiian whitesaddle goatfish. We're trying to collect some individuals from the wild and culture them here on land in these tanks for conservation. We were able to use local fishermen's help to collect individuals from the wild late last year, and earlier this year we got them spawning indoors naturally in their tanks, so that was really good news for us. And the potential for this project is that we can take those eggs and grow them out to adults, and maybe even someday release them back into the wild to help restore the population, because they're really suffering from overfishing right now.
Tell me how HPU is really preparing you for your educational and your professional goals.
What I feel like has helped me the most here at Oceanic Institute specifically is the hands-on experiences that I've gained by working not just in classrooms but in the tanks with seawater on tap, being able to handle fish, look under the microscope and deal with real lab environment. It's really helped me, and I feel like I've gained a lot of confidence moving forward into my research career.
Students can learn more at the HPU website. There's an Oceanic Institute sub-website there. They can go to our social media on Facebook or Instagram. Certainly don't be shy, reach out to us. We'd love to plug you in and get you started.
Brought to you by Hawaii Pacific University.